It's pretty fun.
Whee! Second time.
Best trip ever.
My lens is like fogging up. You ran out?
Yeah.
Ran out. Yeah, you're out of credits.
Ice cream.
The guys are playing pool. We all got our ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Shake. Shake. Yum. And what did I call him? Marvin?
Marvin.
And Myrtle. Marvin and Myrtle came to play. And the countdown is resetting a lot. So it's that's good. But now we just get to hang out. We're gonna eat our melty ice cream and enjoy.
Yeah.
Watch the squirrels.
We're sitting in our bathing suits. We're outside. Got ice cream. I'm fine.
I'm fine. This is not a bad day.
The squirrel sniffed my shoes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Haven't opened to me before. I got the one. Have I told you that?
Cutie.
That little nut.
Oh, it's so cute. Look at his little hands.
He's so cute.
That was adorable.
Bless you. So we're in the back of the car right now. This is how you know we're in the back of the car. That's the fence. Ready, guys? Hi.
Heyo.
Her driveway's so long, you guys. Guys, I kind of forgot to show you, but we went to Clearwater yesterday, and I got an anklet. It's an anklet. It's so cute though.
It's coming down out here.
Guys, I'm soaked. I'm so wet. I am so wet. Like I am having a good hair day, and then look at it. It's like, wow. So we're going to Disney Springs now, and we're gonna go watch a drone show. But we don't know if a drone show is gonna happen. So we might just like shop around the whole day.
The Skyliner's still running. It's raining so hard.
The rain is not necessarily the risk. It's
The lightning. Could you imagine? That would be actually pretty cool. Because you wouldn't get wet in there. You would just get to enjoy the cool weather and the ride.
Yeah.
That's fun. Cadence, you good? Yeah, we need to stick together. Did you hear that? Yep. Did you hear that, squirrel?
Yes, we need to stick together.
It's gonna come out of his mouth. I don't know how often he does it. There we go! It totally did.
It's like everyone.
You were like... That was funny. Oh, that's cute.
The wish blanket. Is that what that is?
Oh, there's wish ornaments here. That's cute.
This one's so cute.
That one's cute.
It's like a Mickey hat.
else do you want to look at?
I don't know.
Just wander a little? You want to try and find what? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's really cute.
The two lunch fries that I've seen here and that I'm really aiming for, and I really, really want, is the Wish one. Or just like, no, there's three. Wish, it's like turquoise glittery, and then there's like rose gold glittery one.
Yeah.
This one,
It's really cute. This one. Yeah, it's very cute. Okay, go ahead.
Mommy, I want to go to What's Pretzels. No, not today. You'll probably do it. Mommy, let's go to What's Pretzels. No!
This is cool.
Oh, that is cool. Churros, candy apples, LiQWYD brew, Mickey pretzel turkey leg, Mickey waffle, citrus swirl, the gray stuff. It's delicious. This is cool. It's kind of 70s vibe, but that one's cool.
I'm really happy about my choice.
I'm really happy about your choice too. Yay! You guys both got lash flies and you didn't really know if you were going to or not. Is it good or is it yucky?
It's so good.
So good?
That is so good. It's like, Dad, it's like caramel on the inside. It's caramel. Chocolate caramel, like
Just like
bread.
a super fancy Twix bar.
Dude, this is it. That is so good. It kind of reminds me of a Salt River bar. Yeah, that's what it reminded me of.
That's really good.
Snail, it's okay. I'll take care of you.
You girls are holding snails right now. I'm very proud of both of you.
I want a big one. It's right there.
Oh, I see it.
Whoa, he feels weird.
Right here.
It's a big one.
Look, he's out. He's out. He's out.
Oh, he's out. Look at him. Oh my gosh.
Cool, yeah, it's moving too.
Oh, cutie.
I named him Turbo.
Turbo, I like that.
Hi guys.
Like this.
We just came out of Everglades. Everglades is so cool. They're like donut tops and bottoms, and you put it in a burger. Oh my gosh, it smells good. It's popcorn. Oh.
We're gonna go to the Coca-Cola store. We're gonna go to the rooftop lounge, the rooftop bar. What's it called? We're gonna go there and we're gonna do the flight. The around the world flight, I think it's called. You gonna try the Beverly?
Probably not.
Probably not.
I don't want to have that taste stuck in my mouth the whole night.
Yeah, I understand. The Beverly is
definitely
not
gonna
very
try.
good.
I'm definitely going to try all the other ones. I didn't get to try all of them this time.
Yeah,
Not all of them. I tried some of them.
you should try a couple, but you're gonna try more of them now this time?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Mommy, I want to go to What's Pretzels. No, not today. You'll probably do it.